Perfect. So now let's do it for Bank Nifty. So now I will open Bank Nifty future here. Again hourly time frame. So Bank Nifty is very weak as compared to Nifty. Look at this chart. Pattern is very weak. So again Bank Nifty, as per data, open interest is increasing, price is falling. What is the status? Everyone reply. Open interest is increasing, price is falling. So most of sector are negative, only IT is positive. Yes, as per future data, it is short build up. Open interest data, it is short. So let's find out support and resistance. Let's find out support and resistance. So tell me, where is highest open interest? Where is highest open interest? Bank Nifty. Everyone, in which strike price highest open interest? 36,000, 36,500. So these two level are okay. So Bank Nifty PCR is little bit weaker than Nifty PCR. So Nifty Bank. So Bank Nifty PCR is 0.55 and monthly PCR is 0.78. Look at this. Monthly PCR is 0.78. So same thing happening in the option chain. Call side short build up, put side long build up. So what is status? Call side short build up, put side long build up. Tell me what is status? Bullish or bearish? Same lower high, lower low. So final view, first action is bearish. So 36,000 close below 36,000 bearish strategy. That is protective call. Close above. Clear. Major sectors all, I think all are down. All the major sector are down. Expect IT is only positive, otherwise all are down. All are down. So first choice is bearish choice because most of sector are down. So let it close up below 36,000. Then we will plan bearish strategy. Is it due to large? Yes. Large selling by FII. So you have to check always FII data. So FII is still on sell side. FII is still on sell side. So that is the reason. And Omicron, you can say Omicron, but I don't think so because of Omicron. It is opening. Just a minute. It is opening. Oh, Nifty down by 100 point. Massive fall. 100 point fall is very big fall for intraday players. 37,000 resistance is around 15 lakh open interest. Yes, that is far, right? We have to work with closer level, right? Priyadarshini ji. We have to work with closer level, right? I don't know why FII data is not updating here. Yes, now it is updating. FII data is updating. Just a minute. So look at this. Yesterday, 16 December, again, sell side. Red color indicates short position. So cash market, sell side. FNO market, that is future and option market. Okay, yesterday they bought future, but not heavily. Might be profit booking 828. So it might be profit booking as well, but it is not heavily, right? And till date they are still on sell side. Fine. Okay. So it is, this page is not opening. So this fall started suddenly, but look at this India VIX, there is no massive change, or it is not updating. I don't know. I think India VIX is not updating. Oh yes, now it is updating. So India VIX is up. See, slowly started increasing. So remember, whenever India VIX is increasing, which strategy we have to plan here? Whenever India VIX is increasing, which strategy we have to plan? Strangle, right? Strangle, straddle, you can plan. Or protective call. Rajesh sir, protective call, not put. Put is bullish strategy, protective call is bearish strategy. So this fall, so exactly market trading at 175. So Nifty future trading at 17,175. So exactly trading below support. So let's see if it is holding, closing below that support, it is very good short trade. If it is not closing, then we will wait for the retracement. Fine. Now let's check IT sector. Today IT sector doing very well. So yes, we can plan bullish trade in IT sector. We can go for bullish. So first let's check Nifty IT chart. So Nifty IT chart. Okay. So what kind of this candle happen? Form, tell me which type of this candle form today? Daily time frame. Inverted hammer. So can we plan bullish trade? Can we plan bullish trade here? No, we cannot plan bullish trade in any stock. So those who are holding Tech Mahindra, what is your action? Those who are holding Tech Mahindra, what is your action? Trail stop loss. Correct. You are right. Anjali Kumari, Ramesh sir, Ashok Nair, you are right. Trail stop loss. So today's low is your trailing stop loss. So everyone note down. Tech Mahindra, those who are holding, what is low? 1652 or 53. So that is today's, that is your stop loss. Clear? So understood how to avoid losses? Please reply. So this is how you have to analyze the market. Okay.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.